Hello friends, welcome to ICT based teaching and learning process. In our today's video we will discuss about how to find copyright free sounds. We have already discussed in our first video how to find copyright free images and videos. For this we have to go on google.com and we type here YouTube audio library free download. We click on YouTube music library and we see that here we find audio library where two buttons are available: free music and sound effects. First we will need to know why we are need to know how to find these sound. Suppose we are creating some video for our teaching purposes, or we are creating some video for our any type of work. Suppose we are preparing for video for a yoga, then we need some background music. So we have to find how from where we can find the free music, otherwise there may be some legal consequences. So here we see the free music button, and there are many buttons. Suppose genre, mood, instrument, duration, attribution, search music. We will learn them one by one. Now if I click on this, we can hear this music, and we are seeing that you are free to use this song in any of your videos. We can move forward it. We can download it from here. Now we pause it and see what are the options available here. Now which type of track we need or available here: alternative and punk, ambient, children, cinematic, classical, country, whatever we need. If I need pop or holiday, hip hop, what type of track I need, I can choose. Currently I set it to all genres. Now we can also select according to our mood: angry, bright, calm, dark, dramatic, funky, whatever. Currently all modes. Next is instrument. Which type of instrument we need: acoustic, guitar, bass, drums, organ, piano. Currently it is set to all instrument. Duration less than 30 to 1 minute, 1 to 130. Currently I set it to all duration. Duration are, we can see here. This is the most important. First is attribution not required, second is attribution required. For to get free music, we click on this, attribution not required. Here we do not require any attribution, or do not need to give any credit to anyone. And if I now play this, we can see we are free to use this song in any of your videos. We can download it from here. It is a 4.2 MB file. If you want to check another, then click on this. If you want to change the genre, suppose I choose pop-up, and suppose mode is funky, then these are changes. And now I check this. We can see that here you are free to use this song in any of your videos. I pause it. Now we choose next option. Suppose this, attribution required. Here we can see that one dark circle type symbol appear here. It is a Creative Common attribution. If we need to use this audio in our, then we have to attribute, or we have to give credit to the its creator. Here we can see that you are free to use this song in any of your videos, but you must include the following in your video description. This same as we use references in our research papers. So we will set it to attribution not required. We may choose attribution required if you choose any song from those types of video audios. If we need to search any of specific type, suppose I like nature and enter on this, then I will got this audio, sorry. We can choose any audio of our type, free use, and we can free download it, and we can use in it our videos. Next option is sound effects. Sound effects are very important for creating attractive videos. Suppose I click on this. Here are categories: alarms, ambience, animals, cartoon, crowds. Which types of video? Suppose I click on sports and I click on baseball. So these type of sounds we can easily download from here and can easily use this. They are free to use, and with the help of them we can make our videos very attractive. I hope you like the video, and you must also include this in your work. Thank you very much.